So we want again to continue looking at making a particular letter subject to the formula. And in this case, we want to make n subject to the formula on this function, which is given as 6 is equal to e to the power 2 ln n. So when you look at this particular problem, and we want to make n subject to the formula, we can see that on the right hand side there, we can have e to the power 2 ln n being expressed as ln e to the power ln n squared. And this is by the laws of natural logarithms. We know that by the laws of natural logarithms, if you are given, say, a ln b, this is equal to ln b to the power a, like that, by the laws of natural logarithms. And again, we also then quickly observe that if you have, say, you are given e to the power, let me just quickly erase that. If you are given e to the power ln f of x, this is actually equal to f of x. So by this, then it follows that if you have 6e to the power ln n squared, that means 6 should be equal to n squared. And remember, we want to make n subject to the formula. So we can see here clearly that therefore n can be given as the square root, that is be now the plus or minus the square root of 6. That will be equal to n. So we have made n subject to the formula by taking advantage of number one, the law of logarithms, which helps us to change 2 ln n to be equal to e to the power ln n squared. And also then taking advantage of the fact that if you have got e to the power ln f of x, that means this is the same as e to the power. That is the same as f of x. Perhaps I can give you a simple example of this. If I have, for example, e to the power ln 1, I'm saying this is equal to 1. We know that e to the power ln 1 is 0. So that means this is the same as e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So it follows like that, that if you are given any function being e to the power ln of something, it is going to be equal to that something. In this case, that is f of x. So that's how we deal with that particular part. So we have made n subject of the formula here. Great.